Good morning, folks. This is André Dallaire, and this is my capsule that is called CDK is Your Friend. So, the reason I wanted to do this is since I left CDK in 2014, there are a couple of things that I've heard through the grapevines, or people just bluntly said to me that CDK sucked, mainly. And I disagree with that, mainly because CDK is a great product, and I've installed it for 15 years. I've used it for 3 years as a controller. And we need to clarify a couple of points in order for you to appreciate what CDK can offer. The first thing is, if you've invested in CDK, you've invested in a great software. I mean, the platform is expensive, but it is a great software to use. And as long as you know where to go, you can do a lot of things on the CDK software, and there's a lot of interfaces or integration points that can be used with your other software or platforms that you're using in your dealership. The second point is customer support. There's a lot of misinformation about customer support at CDK. What you have to know is CDK's customer support is for technical issues mainly. And that's how they always thought of it, and they want to go beyond that, and they want to increase the level of service that they're using or that they're offering, but it's always a technical support, and that's the way they did it. So if you have a technical issue, users, you have to create an account and you don't know where to go, something very quick, they have a great support. If you want to go beyond that and you want to learn how to do your accounting, you want to learn how to do accounts payable or accounts receivables, then you have to go through the CDK training. And they do offer some great training, either in classroom training, remote training, or you can even go into the e-learning solutions that they have. But most of the time, it's going to give you some information, but if you don't have the on-hand experience of somebody that used it for many years, you won't be able to learn anything, or you're going to learn maybe 20%. That's where I come in play, because I can offer you the extra 80% of learning, because I've installed it, I've used it, I know what it is to be in a dealership and have to face HR issues, or to have technical issues, or to have accounting issues. I know, I did it, and I've been in it for 20 years. So if you want to go the extra mile, you want to offer your employees or your administrative staff the extra layer of training that they need to do their job, please reach out to me. I'm at 450-775-5835, or you can contact me through our Marketing Auto website, which is www.marketingauto.ca, and I'll be glad to have a chat with you and see how I can help you in any way, shape, or form. So have a great week, folks. We're going to talk about accounts payable on the next capsule. And in the meantime, have a great week and accounting week mainly. Cheers.